one thing, right? But the problem is when you put ungifted people, unanointed people in positions of authority, what are you doing? Who does that benefit? And so what I've seen throughout the history of the Catholic Church is that it became about putting man in position. And when that's the priority, what happens? A word we call politics.
Well, that's
Everyone's
why that's that. But you're right. You're right, because the Catholic Church did, but they ran across people who desired to be kings. They wanted power. Um, many of the especially in England, many of the royalty uh, wanted to be in line with the church, because the church had such a strong grasp on the community, and it would
yeah,
help them politically. So you're
yep.
absolutely right. But I want to read something, because you quoted something, and this is from Ephesians 4:11 through 16, right?
Mm.
Where it says, and he gave some, this is Christ, apostles, and some prophets, and some evangelists, and some pastors and teachers, right? For the perfecting of the saints, which you stated, for the work of the ministry, for the edifying of the body of Christ. Now, oftentimes we stop there, but the rest of this is very poignant. Till
Yeah,
we
come
all
on.
come in the unity of the
Yes.
faith, in the
Yes.
unity of the faith.
Yes.
Okay, so we should all be unified in believing the same thing. So, in the unity of the
Hmm.
faith and of the knowledge of the Son of God,
To
unto
a
a
what?
perfect man, to a
Say that
perfect
again, Doc.
man.
Wait.
Oh,
Say that.
yes,
Say that again. To
unto
a what
a
kind of man?
perfect man, a
Come
perfect
on.
man. Okay,